Hi, my name is Jasjeet and I'm going to run you through the Big Data and Machine Learning Prodegree that Imarticus Learning is doing with IBM as a partner. Our Big Data and Machine Learning Prodegree, in association with IBM as an EdTech partner, is a first of its kind 160-hour program providing in-depth exposure to the concepts of data science, big data, machine learning, and deep learning through a rigorous, industry-aligned curriculum featuring Python, Spark, and Hadoop. The program also features 7 projects and periodic interaction with the industry leaders and entrepreneurs in the machine learning ecosystem. This is a very unique program where we provide the student exposure to the cognitive class at IBM and also IBM Watson through a project that they do. The projects are executed in a very unique methodology where the student gets exposure to the industry across various sectors and uses the concepts that they learn to actually implement them in the industry and provide the business solutions for their problems. There are 2 levels that we cover in this. Level 1 is the preparatory level where we will cover the basics of statistics and introduce you to Python. Here we cover the concepts of basic probability, term distribution, and sampling. This also covers an introduction to Python, Python functions, and various exceptions within Python. We then dive into data analysis using Python, where you would learn concepts such as linear regression, multiple regression, and decision analysis using Python as a tool. We also introduce you to advanced libraries and packages such as Pandas and scikit-learn, and you get to practice each of these packages through our unique case studies that you will be offered. We then follow this up with the Hadoop ecosystem where we introduce you to MapReduce, the Hive and Spark ecosystem, and Spark ML-lib. This is the level 1 where now the student is completely prepared, and we then take you into the exciting world of machine learning and deep learning. What you will learn in this is an introduction to machine learning, neural networks, keras and artificial neural networks, TensorFlow and convoluted neural networks, and the theoretical component, which is followed by 2 projects in machine learning and deep learning. The final part here is the future with IBM Watson and the IBM Watson application through industry projects. Here, the student gets exposure to business problems that businesses face on a regular basis and how the advanced AI platform called Watson is then used to provide them solutions to their business problems. Imarticus uses the unique case study methodology where the student is allowed to apply the concepts of act, reflect, conceptualize, and apply their learning throughout the program. To facilitate this, we have multiple projects throughout covering all the learning that you have. Some of the projects in store for you could include prediction of sales for 3 months for a retailer based on their historical sales trends, or maybe predicting the churn for a telecom client in order to increase their revenue. We could then move into complex projects such as using artificial neural networks on keras for predicting of voting for the 2010 Eurovision Song Contest by building an ANN on keras. Or convoluted neural networks on keras, where we use this concept to build an application for facial recognition. We finally come to the IBM Watson projects, where you help to build a predictive model using IBM Watson and also build a chatbot for tracking the status of an online order using Watson. Please note that we frequently revise our curriculum and projects to keep up with the fast and exciting pace of this domain, hence the projects stated here are indicative. The learning will happen via 136 hours of instructor-led live virtual class at designated time on weekends over a span of 4 months, where you will receive additional study materials which include PowerPoint presentations, 7 industry projects with unique industry datasets, multiple case studies and use cases, plus 20 hours of video and classes from IBM's own library for your self-study. All of these will be hosted on the IBM Cognitive Cloud platform, which will be accessible to you 24/7 for your learning on the go.